In this quick video, I'll show you how to change character in GTA 5 for Xbox, PlayStation and PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So GTA 5 has 3 characters, Franklin, Michael and Trevor. You will get Franklin at the beginning of the game, but you need to complete some missions to unlock Michael and Trevor. I have unlocked every characters. Now to switch between them, we need to hold D-pad down on Xbox and PlayStation or hold Alt on your PC keyboard. Then you will see this circle at bottom with characters. Right now I am playing with Franklin. This is Michael on the left side, Trevor is on the right side and the fourth one is your GTA Online character. Now select the character you want to switch to. I'll go with Michael and then release D-pad down on Xbox and PlayStation or release Alt on your PC keyboard. There you go, I changed my character from Franklin to Michael. Michael is driving currently. Let me stop the car and you can see him. Now if I was a big help, then please subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.